Hey guys, welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. As you can see here, I have put the edging around the garden area here along the back there as I progress on getting the garden set up for this year. I do want to add my mulch in here next week, so I just wanted to start identifying where's my edging going to be when it comes to my sunflowers and my zinnias. I have them growing in the house, the zinnias and cosmos, and so from here I'm going to add the drip irrigation. But for today I just wanted to show you guys my progress, and also what product I use to put this edging down right here. This is in-ground soil I'm going to put in here before I plant the sunflowers. But first I want to finish some more garden soil. I want to finish putting down my edging. Now I had this part curve around here because I'm going to put fabric all down here. I decided to do fabric all the way down and under the tree here, so I can go ahead and put the hostas roots that they're on their way. Hosta roots, they like a lot of shade, so I decided to plant them under the tree here. 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4, and 5. So that should be great. And so I need to put edging starting here and follow it all the way down in a straight line to the end there where the fence is. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to be using this Vigoro 60-foot no-dig edging, easy to install. All I use when I use this, I got this from Home Depot. You should be able to find it on Amazon too as well. But I'll just link in the description in case you want to get some. Before I open the product, I'll give you a little bit of the instructions here. It says no digging required, installs quickly and easily, includes 60 feet of edging, 18 anchoring spikes, and 3 connectors. Okay. Installation instructions: place edging in your desired shape. So you can have it go in a round circle, you can have it go straight lines, rectangular space you have. It's really flexible to use. And you use a rubber mallet. It says I'm using a hammer. Pound anchoring spikes through tabs to hold edging in place. You can use garden shears to cut edging to size if needed, and then backfill to the top of the edging with mulch or other ground cover. So I will be using this myself when I put my landscape fabric in the center here, I'll be putting the mulch, and that'll cover up all of this here. First thing you see here is I'm just going to line it up to meet that corner you see right there, and then I'll set my first stake right here to ground everything, and then it'll go straight down. Each package comes with 6 stakes, so I have 2 more packages of this. Since this job is not that big of a job, I'm probably just going to use these 6 stakes to get this done, and then I'll save the other 2 for the rest of the roll. Put my first stake in, and like I said, I just use a hammer. If you I just don't beat it too rough. I just kind of hit it and move off of it, and as you can see, it goes in nice and easy. I do also recommend pulling the edging so you can keep it straight, and then you can establish your next stake hole that you're going to punch in, and keep it moving from there. All right, so I straightened it out. I staked it in 3 spots, and as you can see, it's a nice straight line, and I've been filling it in with the rest of the stakes. I'm going to put the last one at the end here where I have the curvature going on right here, and this will be the last one here. Let's stake this one in. Yep, and there we have it. Cut those 2 pieces in half, so it does look like the shears actually do cut that thick piece of plastic there, which is great. And then I'll just go ahead and stake this back where it's supposed to be. There, just make sure it's straight. Yep, and then I'll go ahead and hammer that in. Now this project is complete. Thanks for hanging out with me as I put together my edging. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.